morning, ninth class. Again, we are going to continue the same chapter in history, that is Nazism and the rise of Hitler. In the previous video, we had discussed about the Nazis' concentration camps and the Nazis' worldview. Now, today we will look about the racial utopia. Racial vision. Utopia means vision. What Nazis think about the races? Races means नस्ल या जाति. Okay. So Hitler believed in the theory of racial superiority of the Germans. Hitler believed that Germans were the superior races. He considered Germans as Aryans and held that this master race had almost a divine right to rule over other races who were inferior to them. Hitler considered everyone as Aryans and thought that they had the divine right to rule over all the races inferior to them. He placed all East Europeans and non-white people under this category. He discriminated the people on the basis of their color. Such type of policy is known as racism. Okay? So he considered all East Europeans and the non-white peoples as inferiors or subhumans. Nazis wanted a society of pure, healthy and Nordic Aryans. He wanted a society which was full of pure-blooded Nordic German Aryans. They believed that only Nordic Aryans were worthy to rule, to prosper and to multiply. He believed that only Nordic Aryans had the divine right to rule over the entire world, to prosper, okay, to multiply. It meant that even those Germans who were seen as impure or abnormal had no right to live. Do not think that only the Jews or the people from Eastern Europe were killed only. All those Germans were also killed who were supposed to be not pure-blooded or abnormal. Okay? A number of Germans who were considered mentally or physically unfit were put to death under the euthanasia program. A lot of Germans were also considered as not fit, physically fit, and they were also killed according to the euthanasia program. Besides Jews, many gypsies and blacks who lived in Nazi Germany were also considered as inferior races. Many gypsies were considered as, you can say that, refugees. Gypsies were refugees and many of the blacks were also considered as inferior races. They were considered a great threat to the biological purity of the superior Nazi race. And Hitler thought that if they mingle with the Nordic German Aryans, they could create a impure race. So he didn't want them to be living in the Germany. So he wanted them to be killed or to be thrown out of the German territory. Even Russians and Polish were regarded as subhumans. Russians and Polish were also regarded as subhumans. It is notable that much of the northwest Poland was annexed to Germany. Many of the areas of the Poland, especially the northwest area of Poland, was annexed by Germany. Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties behind them, and they were sent to other parts of the German government. Poles were forced to leave their homes. Polish people were forced to leave their homes and properties behind them, and they were sent to other part called German government, a place meant for undesirables or of empire. Those who were not seen as a part of Germany, they were considered as undesirable. Undesirable. Okay? They were seen as undesirable. Members of the Polish intelligence who killed in large numbers Polish children looking like Aryan were forcibly snatched from their mothers in order to examine by the race experts. Many of the Polish children looked like Germans, so they, if they were suspected that they could be pure-blooded, so they were taken. Those children were taken from their mothers and they were examined by the race experts that they are pure or not. In case they passed the race test, they were brought up in German families. Otherwise, they were sent to the orphanages, and where most of them met their end. Gypsies were generally sent to the Auschwitz camp. Gypsies were sent to the Auschwitz camp. Youth in Nazi Germany. Now we will talk about the situation of the youth in Nazi Germany. Situation of the youth in Nazi Germany, now we will talk about that. Hitler considered youth as the most significant asset of the country. Hitler considered that youth were the most significant asset they could, in the future they could have they could have involved in the army, they could be involved in the army, and they could be a very benefit asset for the army as well. Okay? And he showed a great interest in the youth of the country. He felt that children should be taught the Nazi ideology. He felt that all the children of the Germany should be treated the Nazi ideology in order to establish a strong Nazi society. Because if a Nazi society has to be established, we need the youth to understand the Nazi ideology and to accept the Nazi ideology. Okay? A control of the child both inside and outside. They wanted to control the youth both mentally and physically. Okay. Children were also segregated in schools to clear. First of all, the schools were cleared. They were cleared from whom? They were cleared from Jews, who were seen as undesirables. All the Jew children were thrown out of the school, and many of the Jewish teachers were also thrown out of the school. A policy of segregation was followed in the school. The Jews or politically unreliable teachers were dismissed. German and Jewish students were not allowed to sit to play together. The Jews, the physically handicapped, and gypsy children were placed in the undesirable children category. Those children who were seen as undesirables, they were not allowed in the they were not allowed in the German schools. They were thrown out of the schools, and finally in the 1940s they were sent to the gas chambers. There was some of the gas chambers which were there, and most of the Jewish children were thrown into the gas chambers. Good German children had to undergo a process of Nazi school. Those German children who were considered as pure, they had to go through a Nazi schooling, and they were taught the Nazi ideology. Various means such as textbooks, racial science, Nazi ideas, sports, etc. were used to develop hatred against the Jews. They were treated the ideology of hatred against the Jews. Whether they play sports, whether they read about science, all those things had the material which was taught to them to hate Jews. Okay? The traditional hatred was spread against the Jews. Children were taught to be loyal and submissive to Hitler and worship. Children were forced to worship Hitler. Sports like boxing and wrestling were organized to nurture the spirit of violence and aggression among the children. Boxing and wrestling, जैसे various types of skills were organized. Okay? Hitler believed that boxing would make children iron-hearted, strong, and masculine. Hitler was a cruel man, and he thought that it would create means he wanted the children to be hard-hearted. Children who were naturally emotional, they had various types of feelings, they are natural. Such type of children were taught the policy of hatred. How cruel was Hitler? Youth organizations were formed in order to educate German youth in the spirit of national socialism. German children had to join Jung Vogue at the age of 10. They had to join an organization that is known as Jung Vogue at the age of 10. Now we talk about the Auschwitz camp. All German boys had to enter in Hitler's youth and organization for Nazi youth at 14. Hence they were taught to hate the undesirables. All the youths were taught to hate the undesirables. Who were the undesirables? The Jews, the communists and the gypsies, etc. They were also taught to worship war. They were taught to worship war. Small children were taught to worship war. What was a terrible ideology like of Nazis were there? Okay. Glorify aggression and violence and condemn democracy. They were taught to condemn democracy. After undergoing through rigorous ideological and physical training, they usually at the age of 18 had to join the labor service. After completing their schooling, they had to join the labor service. After that, they had to serve in the armed forces and join one of the Nazi organizations. After that, all the youth have to be a part of the Nazi army and they have to join the Nazi organizations. The Youth League of the Nazis was founded in 1920. 4 years later, in 1926, it was named as Hitler League. All other youth organizations were systematically dissolved and finally banned in order to unify the youth movement under Nazi control. All the organizations which taught other types of ideologies, they were banned, and only Nazi ideologies were taught in the youth movement. Now we will talk about the motherhood and the Nazis. Motherhood and the Nazis. What was the role of the mother in the Nazi Germany? Okay. In Nazi Germany, women were considered as inferior to men. No, you can say that there was no exception. As similar as many other countries, here also the women were considered inferior to men. They were not given the rights equal to men. They were not given the equal rights as they were given as it was given to men. According to the Nazi theory, the fight for equal rights for men and women that had become a part of the democratic struggle everywhere was considered a wrong and destructive idea. In the Nazi Germany, talking about the political rights for women was considered as a wrong and destructive idea. Okay, children were made to believe that women were radically different from men. All the children, especially the male children, were taught that women were radically different from them. Okay, the boys were supposed to be aggressive, masculine, and steel-hearted. The boys were supposed to be steel-hearted, were supposed to be very strong. They have to face all the things in their life. Okay, be strong, be masculine. Okay, whereas girls were taught to be good mothers and wearing pure Nordic, blue-eyed Nordic German parents. They were treated to give birth to pure Nordic German parents. The girls were taught to maintain the purity of the race and to tease their children, the Nazi ideology. The girls were taught to take care of their children and to treat them and tease them, the Nazi ideology. They should maintain a distance from the Jews. They never wanted any German mother to have a contact with any Jews. And they had some types of punishments as well if they keep a contact with the Jews. Okay. Hitler was proclaimed in 1933. In my state, the mother is the most important citizen. Hitler has said in his speech in 1933. But it is a fact that women were not treated equally in Nazi Germany. But it was a true fact that women were not treated equally in the Nazi Germany. The women bearing racially undesirable children were punished. All those women who were considered as racially undesirable were punished. However, those producing racially desirable children were given incentives such as favored treatment in hospitals, concession in shops. Those who give birth to the racially desirable children, they were favored. They were given many types of offers, like they were favored in hospitals, they were given concession in shops, they were given free tickets, they were given free railway fares. Women were encouraged to produce more and more children, and they were given a cross. Type of cross. There were three categories of crosses: a bronze cross, silver, and gold. they gave birth to 6 pure-blooded German Aryan children. They were given the Silver Cross, and then they gave birth to 8 or more than 8 pure-blooded German Aryan children. They were given the Gold Cross. Okay. The Aryan women who violated the prescribed code of conduct had to undergo public condemnation and severe punishments. The women were not allowed to maintain relations with the Jews, Poles, and Russians, etc. If they did, otherwise they were paraded with shaved heads. If they kept any type of relations with the Jews, they were given the punishment of shaved heads, blackened faces. The faces were blackened, and hanging placards around their necks announcing, "I have saluted the honor of the nation." A card was kept in their neck hanging, and it was written on that "I have saluted the honor of the nation." Women were advised not to interfere in the world of women. While making an address to the women at the Nuremberg Party rally on September 8, 1934, Hitler commented. What Hitler commented on women in the Nuremberg Party rally? "We do not consider it correct for the women to interfere in the world of men. It is not considered correct for women to interfere in the world of men. We consider it natural that these two worlds remain distinct." Hitler considered that the world of men and the world of women were two distinct worlds, and they could not mingle in each other's world. Okay. Many of them had to lose their families. Sometimes they were given jail sentences as well. If the punishment was very cruel, they could have given the jail sentences. Nazism and the art of propaganda. The Nazis used language and media to carefully that it often helped them greedy. They coined a number of deceptive, chilling new terms. मैंने आपको बताया था, some type of terms were used. Those terms were final treatment or the final solution or the special treatment. Such type of words were used for the killing of Jews. Okay. Instead, words like special treatment, final solution were used for Jews. Mass killings, whereas the terms like euthanasia, selection, and disinfection were used for the disabled. The word evacuation was used for deporting people to the gas chambers. These were some types of code words which were used. Code words. If Hitler said that evacuate those people, that means send them to the gas chambers. Okay. The gas chambers were labeled as disinfection areas. Disinfection areas where the infected people were sent to disinfect them. Because because Hitler thought that Germany was getting infected by these unpure Nordic German, unpure Jews or the unpure undesirables. So that is why it is needed to disinfect Germany. These people were infecting Germany. So to disinfect them, they were sent to the gas chambers. Okay. They looked like bathrooms having fake shower heads. Gas chambers were nothing but a type of bathroom where a person was kept and the harmful gases were kept on, and as a result they were died because of those gases. The Nazis made an extensive but careful use of media. Media was also used. Various types of visual images, films, radios, posters, catchy slogans, and leaflets were used to spread of the Nazi ideas. To spread the Nazi ideas, all the types of media sources were used, whether it is radios, whether it was films, whether it was posters, whether it was catchy slogans, all the things were used. The groups termed as enemies of the Germans were mocked, abused, and described as the evils in the posters. All the Jews, the posters were made in which the Jew had a face of the Jew, and in that particular poster, Jew is considered to be as the evil of the nation. Okay. There were various propaganda films were made, especially the Eternal Jews. Eternal Jews. This was a film which was made on the killing of the Jews. In this film, vermin, rats, and pests. Jews were considered as vermin, rats, or pests. The Nazis exploited the minds and sentiments of the masses highly and made them fully believe that only Nazis could solve their problems. They were forced to believe, all the Germans were forced to believe that Nazis only could solve their problems. ordinary people and the crime against humanity. Now, what were the crimes against humanity which was committed by the Nazis? Many people believed in the principle of Nazis, but every German was not a Nazi. Many of the people believe in the Nazi ideology, but all the Germans were not Nazis. Such type of movements had started growing in Germany until during the last stage of the war. Various movements took place against the Nazis. The movements were strengthened in their activities, got a momentum when the Soviet Russia and USA joined the war. And this movement got momentum when Soviet Russia and USA joined the war. In 1940, anti-Nazis fleeing from Czechoslovakia started a resistant movement against Nazis. Many people from Czechoslovakia started anti-Nazi movement against them in 1940. A powerful resistant movement against Germany started at Warsaw, the capital of Poland, in August 1944. In August 1944, a movement started in Warsaw, the capital of Poland. In Yugoslavia, the anti-fascist resistance movement was led by Josip Broz Tito. Josip Broz Tito which was later on this person was later on part of the MAM movement as well. Tito. Okay. In June 1940, the French people started an independent France movement under the leadership of Charles de Gaulle after the surrender of the French government. When the French government surrendered, a movement was started by Charles de Gaulle in France. Charles de Gaulle in France. In 1942, the communists and the socialists of Italy unitedly started a movement against fascism. The exiled Germans made a laudable contribution in preparing atmosphere against Nazism in foreign countries. They built an atmosphere against Nazism in the foreign countries. A strong resistance movement against fascism was started in Asian countries. Various Asian countries also started a movement against fascism like China, the Philippines, Indochina, Indonesia, Burma, Malaya, etc. As a result of these movements, the non-fascist powers were inspired to oppose fascism unitedly. When various countries were united, they unitedly opposed fascism. Undoubtedly, the resistance movement made a significant contribution in defeating the fascist force. And the united movement, when the movement got united by various countries, as a result, the fascist force would have to take a step back and they were defeated. In fact, an important reason for the defeat of Germany by Soviet Union in World War II was the ruthless treatment of civilian population by German forces. Why Germany was defeated? The one and the foremost reason was the ruthless treatment of Germany by German forces to the civilians. When defeat was inevitable, Hitler committed suicide on 30 April 1945. When Hitler saw that defeat was near and he could be killed, he himself committed suicide on 30 April 1945. So with that, this chapter is and now this chapter is finished over here. So read this chapter again from your book, whether it is NCERT, whether it is HM book, you can read from either book. Okay, class 19.